She's still pretty soft.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Right now the actual air temperature is 23 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. It's been steadily windy and getting windier today. It's gusting up over 20 miles an hour right now, which puts the wind chill or the feels like temperature in that 45 to 50 degree below 0 range. Actual air temperature tonight is supposed to drop down to about 28 to 31 degrees below 0, and the wind chills then will drop down closer to 60 below. I put a new deer block and a bunch more corn out for the deer last night. There hasn't been one deer there last night or at all today. And now we're talking, it's in the afternoon right now, so they are just laying low. So Melissa and I are staying inside. We did go out for lunch earlier today, and then we came back, and now we just got done cutting up the soap into bars, and now that that's cut, it still has to sit and cure for probably another 3 weeks before we can use it. And now we're getting some of the ceramic molds ready, and we're going to pour some of those. I've never done that before, so all I'm doing is kind of tagging along. In the future, we're going to buy the clay in dry form. You get it in 55 pound bags. But this time we opted to buy the pre-mixed slip, and that's what we're going to be using to pour the molds. So these are the ones we're going to pour. I mean, this isn't going to be professional or anything. We're going to get a mud sink, but we don't have one yet, so we're just going to be pouring this in with a pitcher. This one's a little Christmas tree. Got some little ornaments. Flower pot. Birdhouse ornament. Coffee cup. One of these is a toothpick holder. I don't know which one that is. Now we just let them sit for 30 minutes and then we pour them out.
It's a mobile laboratory built in Australia inside a 20-foot-long shipping container.
And these resources are important.
So I just do this slow?
Well, not real slow, but there you go.
Oh, look at that, how it's perfectly around that. Yeah, it looks pretty cool though. That worked pretty neat. Oh yeah.
Cute.
That's really weird how that works.
So you would take this off. Because that's just a pour spout. These are still too wet. See how my fingers are leaving fingerprints?
Yeah. Oh wow.
Those
Look
are
at
nice.
how smooth they are. That's nice. How are you going to take those out?
They'll just come out. Oh, they're still mushy.
Don't crack the shell.
What a retard.
It is still brutally cold. Actual temperature minus 26 Fahrenheit, and that wind is still whipping.
Oh,
Oh, that one's cute.
yeah.
Which one was that now?
The little birdhouse.
Oh, okay.
So,
That's pretty cute.
that's gonna be cute though.
Yeah.
It is
That's a
really
flower
good.
pot, right?
Yep. That's not going to come loose. Oh, that's because it's got tape.
Oh, I forgot I taped that so it wouldn't leak out. Oh, look at that.
And hammer.
That's pretty neat. Well, it's about 11:30 at night and we're heading off to bed. We'll take a look at these again in the morning. The wind chill outside is just about minus 60. Good morning, everybody. It's a little bit after 8 o'clock in the morning right now. 33 degrees below zero is the actual temp out there. The wind chill is minus 58. All right, well, it's in the afternoon right now. It's about 21 below zero actual air temp. The wind has died down quite a bit, but Melissa and I took off and went into town and had lunch, and then we came back and just went for a drive up, I don't know, north of here, just checking things out. And then we're coming back, and the neighbors next door here, they'll have the wood stove going in their garage, and that was going this morning. And when we drove by there, there was 3 cars in the driveway. And then we drove by and we weren't gone all that long, and we come back and the smoke looked really weird coming from that garage. So we pulled up there and there was no cars in the driveway and the garage was on fire. So Melissa grabbed her phone and called 911 because there was nobody here. And I probably took 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes for them to get here with the fire trucks and everything. But on a cold day like today, you're not going to keep water inside the tanker, so I'm sure they had to load all that up. Anyway, that whole garage, I guess there was a car in the garage, and now the whole entire garage is down. We were actually sitting there watching it when she was calling 911, and the fire came out from underneath the overhang in the front, and the whole thing just engulfed in flames. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. That's been enough excitement for this time up here at the house. I'm actually heading back in the morning. But tonight the actual air temperature in some parts of the state could get close to 60 degrees below zero. Here it's supposed to be about 34 below, but the wind has died down quite a bit. I will see you guys on the next video.